There's a special kind of excitement that comes with plane spotting. It's the thrill of the hunt, the anticipation of seeing a rare bird, and the joy of witnessing these magnificent machines in action. For many of us, it's an addiction. We spend hours studying flight schedules, researching aircraft types, and braving the elements, all for that perfect glimpse of aviation history in the making. And few sights get a plane spotter's heart racing like a Delta Airlines Dreamliner. This sleek modern marvel is a testament to engineering ingenuity, and its arrival at an airport is always a cause for celebration. But what is it about the Dreamliner that makes it so special? The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, to give it its full name, is a game-changer in the world of aviation. It's constructed largely from composite materials, making it lighter and more fuel-efficient than its predecessors. This translates into lower operating costs for airlines and a smaller carbon footprint for the planet. But for plane spotters, the Dreamliner's appeal goes beyond its eco-credentials. Its sleek, futuristic design, with its raked wingtips and gracefully curved fuselage, is a sight to behold. Whether it's soaring through the clouds or taxiing down the runway, the Dreamliner exudes an aura of elegance and sophistication. For plane spotters, the Dreamliner offers a visual feast. Its large, dimmable windows, a unique feature of the aircraft, allow for stunning views of the world below. And the Dreamliner's engines are remarkably quiet thanks to innovative design features that reduce noise pollution. But it's not just about looks and sound. The Dreamliner's advanced technology is something that truly sets it apart. Want to catch a glimpse of this magnificent machine for yourself? Some airports are better for Dreamliner spotting than others. Los Angeles International, with its multiple runways and heavy Delta traffic, is always a good bet. Another hotspot is Seattle-Tacoma International, where Boeing manufactures the Dreamliner. You might even catch a glimpse of a brand new aircraft fresh off the assembly line. So, grab your binoculars and your camera, find a good vantage point, and get ready for some serious plane spotting fun. The Delta Airlines Dreamliner is